Shell Fleet Business Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If your business relies on a fleet of vehicles, fuel expenses can quickly eat into your profits. The Shell Fleet Business Card promises to simplify fuel management, provide discounts, and offer tools to help track expenses. But in 2025, with so many fleet and business credit cards available, is it truly worth it, or is it time to leave it behind? In this review, we'll explore every detail of the Shell Fleet Business Card, including rewards, fees, fuel discounts, reporting tools, and more, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your business. For business owners managing multiple vehicles, choosing the right fuel card is more than just about discounts. It's about efficiency, control, and savings over time. Most people get this wrong. They focus solely on per-gallon discounts and overlook expense tracking, reporting features, and operational benefits that can save much more money in the long run. Let's break down everything you need to know. Fuel savings and discounts. The main benefit of the Shell Fleet Business Card is, of course, fuel discounts. In 2025, cardholders can receive savings directly at the pump, typically around **5 to 10 cents per gallon, depending on the plan and fleet size. These discounts apply to all Shell stations nationwide, which is particularly beneficial for businesses with vehicles traveling long distances or operating in multiple regions. For example, if your fleet consumes 10,000 gallons per month, a 5-cent per gallon discount equals $500 in monthly savings or $6,000 annually. If your business qualifies for the higher tier 10-cent discount, the annual savings could double to $12,000. These numbers are significant for any business, especially when margins are tight. It's important to note that these savings are automatically applied at participating Shell locations, simplifying the process. There's no need to submit receipts or claims manually, which saves administrative time. Expense management and reporting tools. One of the most underrated features of the Shell Fleet Business Card is its reporting and tracking capabilities. In 2025, businesses can access a digital dashboard that allows them to track fuel purchases by vehicle or driver, monitor fuel efficiency and mileage trends, set spending limits per card or per driver, generate detailed monthly or quarterly reports for accounting. For fleet managers, this level of detail is invaluable. You can identify inefficient vehicles, track unauthorized usage, and manage fuel expenses proactively. Most business owners underestimate how much a simple reporting system can reduce waste and improve budgeting. Card controls and security. The Shell Fleet Business Card also offers robust control features. You can assign individual cards to specific vehicles or employees and set limits on fuel types or spending amounts. For example, if you operate a mixed fleet of gasoline and diesel vehicles, you can prevent a diesel vehicle from using gasoline or vice versa, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Additionally, the card offers fraud monitoring and alerts giving you peace of mind that your fuel expenses are secure. If a card is lost or stolen, it can be instantly deactivated, preventing unauthorized charges. Fees and costs. The Shell Fleet Business Card generally comes with no annual fee which is a major advantage compared to some other fleet cards. Some plans may include small administrative fees, but these are typically outweighed by the fuel savings and reporting benefits. Unlike traditional business credit cards, the focus here is on operational efficiency and fuel cost reduction. Not rewards, points, or cashback. It's crucial to understand the terms. If you don't manage your card usage carefully, there can be late fees or interest charges if balances are not paid on time. However, most businesses pay the card off in full monthly to maximize savings. Redemption options and additional perks. Unlike general-purpose business credit cards, the Shell Fleet Card is not focused on rewards, points, or cashback. Its value lies in fuel discounts and operational control. That said, some plans include additional perks such as discounts on vehicle maintenance at Shell Service Partners, loyalty bonuses for high-volume fuel purchases, optional integration with accounting or fleet management software. These perks enhance the card's value, especially for larger fleets that require consistent maintenance and monitoring. Comparison with other fleet cards. In 2025, the Shell Fleet Business Card competes with other fleet and fuel cards, such as ExxonMobil Business Card : offers similar fuel discounts, but is limited to Exxon and Mobil stations. BP Business Solutions Card : focused on regional coverage with some volume-based savings. WEX Fleet Card : provides broader merchant acceptance and additional reporting tools, but may have higher fees. The surprising truth is that while other cards may offer more network coverage, the Shell Fleet Card's combination of ** nationwide Shell access, robust reporting, and per-gallon discounts ** makes it highly competitive, particularly for businesses already relying on Shell stations. ** Who should consider the Shell Fleet Card ** Businesses with multiple vehicles that require ** frequent fueling ** companies operating primarily near Shell stations or along routes with high Shell coverage, fleet managers who need ** detailed tracking, reporting, and control features ** companies looking for ** no annual fee ** fuel management solutions ** who might leave it ** small businesses with minimal vehicle use or irregular fuel expenses, businesses that need ** broader merchant acceptance ** beyond Shell stations, companies that prefer cards with ** cashback or rewards points ** over direct fuel discounts ** potential drawbacks ** while the card offers significant advantages, there are some limitations. Network limitation: savings only apply at Shell locations, so fleets traveling in areas without Shell stations may not benefit fully. No traditional rewards: unlike business credit cards, you won't earn points or cashback outside fuel-related perks. Dependent on fleet size: smaller fleets may see minimal savings if fuel consumption is low. Most people get this wrong. They assume that a fleet card automatically provides universal rewards. In reality, the true value comes from analyzing your fleet's fueling patterns, travel routes, and consumption volume. Conclusion: So, is the Shell Fleet Business Card worth it in 2025? For businesses with multiple vehicles, significant monthly fuel consumption, and access to Shell stations, the answer is yes. The combination of ** fuel discounts, detailed reporting, card controls, and operational perks ** makes it a practical and valuable tool for managing fleet expenses. However, if your business has a small fleet, minimal fuel expenses, or needs broader merchant acceptance, this card might not deliver enough value to justify its use. The key takeaway is to ** analyze your fleet's specific needs, fuel consumption patterns, and operational priorities ** before making a decision. The Shell Fleet Business Card is not just about savings at the pump, it's about ** smart fleet management ** operational efficiency, and reducing administrative overhead. For businesses that can take advantage of these features, it's a tool that pays for itself many times over. In short, if your business relies heavily on vehicles, spends consistently at Shell stations, and values control and reporting, the Shell Fleet Business Card is worth it. If not, it's better to explore other fleet cards or business credit options that better fit your needs.